Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showcasing this Kisslove 360 Body Wave Invisible Drawstring wig. It is so beautiful, and this is something you definitely need to add to your collection for updos, half up, half downs, a bun, whatever you're in the mood to do. So let's get straight into this video. I'm going to show you guys how to install this wig straight out the box. Y'all see the hairline comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the inside construction of this wig. It comes with a few clips, a strap in the back that's adjustable, and also the strings that we're going to pull later on. We'll go into more depth with that later. So right now I just have this wig freshly placed on my head. You don't even need to do the bald cap method. That's just something I chose to do with this install, but I swear you don't need it. And I'm just doing a little bit of plucking since I am going to pull the hair back. And I'm going ahead and cut off some of the lace around my ears because I do have a really small head. I did go ahead and get a small cap, but it didn't fit too well. So I'm just doing that to give it the perfect fit. To adhere this lace to my skin, I'm going to go in with some Ebon Wonder Lace Bond spray. This wig does come with tape, so you can use the tape and it'll give you the same long-lasting effect. This is just what I wanted to opt for the video. So as y'all can see, after a couple layers and having it dry down and get nice and tacky, I'm going to go ahead and pull the lace down and seep it into my skin with my hands. And I'm going to cut off a little bit of lace just so it can look as natural as possible. But like I said, you can literally lay down this wig in a matter of seconds using the tape. One day I'll do a tutorial using the tape. I'm just kind of nervous too. I don't know. I'm so used to just using spray and glue, so that's what I just choose to do. But I'm just taking the end of this this razor here to help melt down this lace a little bit more, and the blow dryer as well to get everything nice and dried down. And then I'm going to take my band. I left that on for about 10 minutes, but I'm going to go ahead and take that off now and add some more makeup to the lace so it can be extremely seamless, y'all. This is a HD lace and it did come pre-bleached and pre-plucked. Like, look at how good this hairline looks. That's probably my favorite thing about this wig is how low maintenance it is. Like, all you have to do is slap it on. Like, y'all see that? Minimal plucking. I just did a little itty bitty bit and it's tea. So I'm going to take this bedhead spray to really melt this lace even further. So I like to take it right onto the lace and then dab it with my finger to spread it out and get it around evenly and right exactly where I need it to be. Then I'm going to take a satin scarf to lay it down for 10 minutes again. And once that's all nice and laid down, I'm going to go ahead and start showing you guys how to use these straps in the back that are the invisible straps that you just pull with the little tassel all the way as tight as you can, and which is comfortable. And then you tuck it up under the wig and boom, you have a 360 wig with no lace in the back, extremely invisible, undetectable. Like, you can shake your head, it's not going anywhere. It's perfect, y'all. It's perfect. And the ponytail that I did, like, come on now, it don't get no better than this. And look at how this lace is looking, y'all, laid down. I just wanted to give y'all a little preview of what it's looking like before we get to styling the hair. Initially I decided to do a cute little half up half down style, so I'm just taking the end of a rat tail comb to part out the hair. Y'all can see the parting space is really well too, and y'all can see how the knots are invisible. Like, when you're making a ponytail, it looks extremely clean. So I want to do that evenly on both sides and start to hot comb the hair into sections just so that everything can look seamless and laid flat. So now that we have that done, the next step is going ahead to just do the baby hairs. So I'm pulling some out that will make sense with swooping it into like the half up half down style. So I'm going to pull out those hairs, just a nice thin amount, nothing too crazy. And I'm going to do the same thing for the sideburns too. Hot comb that so it can lay flat and everything, and then cut the baby hairs down to my liking. You can go short, long, whatever you want to do, girl. It's up to you. I like them like medium length, like in between long and short. So I'm going to go ahead and curl those and then style them pretty much. Yeah, I like to curl them under to give it a nice fluffy full look. And this just helps give the baby hair some shape and dimension instead of just looking straight and laid down. You know, it gives it a little character. So I'm going to take some Got2b glue spray and gently form these baby hairs. I'm being extremely light-handed with my hand so that they look fluffy and, you know, not too hard. I still want them to be laid down though, so we get them laid down. I went in with some heat protectant and a hot comb on this section that I want the ponytail to be in, and then I'm going in with some Got2b glue spray. Now, oh my gosh, I'm just tongue twisting my words all today and using this little brush side of the edge brush to really mold everything together. And now I'm going to create the ponytail. I do recommend doing like a pre-ponytail with the ponytail holder and then going in with a second ponytail holder to really get your flat look, because I did have to go in with a hot comb on the back side where it's extremely hot on 500 degrees, okay, to get it more laid down. But if you do that step that I mentioned, it'll look a lot better for you. But that's how it looked, the half up half down. And this is what it looks like when I did the ponytail. Super duper cute. Like, it looks so natural in the back. My friend said, girl, this looks like this could be your real hair. True story. So be sure to run to my description box and check out the information on this 360 versatile wig, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.